Hi folks, Go Small Designs here, and this is part 1 of the Trumpeter 1/24th scale Hawker Hurricane build. So, should say Hurricanes actually, because you know what? There's 2 of these bad boys on the table. I'm not swapping parts here. You're going to be seeing the Mark 1 as well as the Mark 2D being built. Also too, you got the Trumpeter, I guess you can call it photo etch set or accessory set on the table here. We're going to get into that. But why are you seeing this on the table? Well, I have some free parts that have been sent to me. Actually, a lot of parts that have been sent to me to expose this, because there's not much exposure on the Trumpeter Hurricanes for some reason. You don't see this on YouTube. There's maybe 1 or 2 videos out there. It's all Airfix on the Hurricane. So it's time to get this out there, I guess. So hey, you know what? If I'm going to be getting sent parts, I'm going to build this. So exciting. But you know what? I'm actually very interested in this subject. I've kind of been waiting for a 1/32 Hurricane to come out, but again, there's not much out there on the 1/32, aspect. So very excited for this one. Very big model, looks great, but let's see how it builds. So let's get into it here. Again, trying to find information on even, this set right here, other than just seeing, the product pictures of, well, that. It doesn't tell you anything, right? So I have 2 of these sets, and I want to make the Mark 1 look detailed up. And of course, a lot of people get scared away thinking, well, that's just for the Mark 2. They just kind of stop there and go, I'm not going to bother me. Maybe that's it. I don't know. But you know what? Let's just take the guesswork out of it. So if you're interested, here's the instruction sheet. Because I have not even seen the instruction sheet out there. So if you're interested, that's what the instruction sheet looks like. I'll flip it over here. You can pause it if you need to. I'll flip it over. So like I said, some of this can be used on the Mark 1, and we will use it on the Mark 1. So a lot of research is going to go into this project, obviously, right? Because the different air filters and whatnot change from the Mark 1 to Mark 2. So obviously we're not going to, mess around with that too much. But anyway, right off the bat, you can see the differences because we've worked a little bit on this already. So there's no detail right there, but you can see the wings, right? This is for the Mark 2 because obviously you have the different cannons right here. I believe they're 20mm. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure the 20mm that go underneath here. So if you buy the Mark II, this is the wings you're going to get, right? And obviously the Mark 1 with the 303s, but this doesn't change. So this set, if you're interested, right off the bat, you're going to get that. I want to see if the camera will pick it up. But you're going to get like all the riveting details. Okay? And then, of course, like this whole section right here with the flaps and stuff. So already it's worth it, right? The landing gear, it's going to be worth it. Not so much with the filters, obviously. But as we go, it's already going to be worth it for that. So just to show you. And then, of course, you do get the cockpit details. Now, the cockpit details... it's probably not going to be worth it there because I do believe the cockpit changes from the Mark 1 to the Mark 2. The seat belts, well, I'm going to get into that in a second here with the seat belts. And then, of course, the radiators and filters change. I mean, it all depends, too, on how you're displaying your aircraft as well, right? So, I mean, if it's flaps are up and stuff, well, then you're not going to bother with that too much. But again, here's my hand. And there's the wing, so it's going to be big. So it's going to be kind of cool. So with this project here, I mean, I don't have everything in yet either. I'm still waiting in, for the mail. I wanted to hold off until I got, most of the stuff in, but there's still a lot more coming in the mail. So we're going to kind of get up here, which we've never done before on this channel. And I've already kind of started the layout and started some of the parts. So this just, kind of fits in. See if I can pull it out like that. So this is, if you wanted to, it can be kind of positionable, which we might do. But I've already started, as you can see, to, you know, smooth it out. I mean, there's a fuel tank, same thing. Just kind of the prep work until I start getting more parts in. But most of these things are, other than the bottom portion of the wings, it's, and actually it's just say the wings, right? Because here's the Mark 1 wing, and then there's the Mark 2 wing. So other than the wings, so far the parts have been pretty much the same. But, you know, there's the engines, right? So, okay. That's just one of the reference books I have. I still have a couple more reference books, but this is a real good book to have if you are building this model. It kind of goes through all the different marks. So that'd be kind of cool to have. That's just a figure I have. I have a couple more figures, or one more figure that a gentleman's sending me. I do have 2 sets of these. That's very important. Whether I'm going to have the landing gear up or down, not too sure. I have an Airfix mask. Don't know if it'll fit on this model or not, but it won't really matter. You do get these in your box with your trumpeter set, but I have these here from, what is it, HGW? I'll be using those. I actually have 3 of these. This one is wrecked a little bit, but I have 3 of these, so I'm not too worried. So the reason why I'm showing you all this is because of, and I still have more coming, is a lot of this was given to me to throw into the models and to show you guys what's out there for these kits. And there's some placards. So some of this stuff isn't even related to Trumpeter itself. It's just everything you can throw on. You know, that's going to be cool. This here is from Airfix, obviously. But if I want to use it, I can. And then obviously the different decal sheets. I got another one coming in the mail. And then obviously what's available in the kits. So this, again, this is just part 1. And then what's in the box, right? You get your instruction sheets. So there's not a ton of parts. So this one here, this is for the Mark 1. Your wheels are a little bit different. This one has like a line tread to them. And this one here has almost like a, I don't know what kind of tread you would actually call that, but for the Mark II, it has more of like a, I don't know what kind of tread that would be. Like a checker tread or something. I'm not too sure. Anyway, so even the treads are different. Not too sure like if the Airfix tread will, or like tires would work, or wheels would work. But so other than the parts that we've taken out and shown you, yeah, there's not a ton of parts in here, but they're very, very clean looking parts. So it should be a lot of fun. But anyway, there you go. Again, there's more to come. But it's going to be fun, you know, messing around, you know, choosing different decals. And, you know, maybe we'll make our own plane that didn't exist with the different decals. Who knows? We'll figure it out. But these little stencils and stuff are definitely going to add to the model. And the seat belts. These are really cool. We've seen these in my B25 models from HGW. I believe it's HGW. Yeah, HGW. We've seen these in my B25 builds and stuff where you can crunch them up and fold them and twist them. It really adds some realism to your model. And then just going back to the engine stuff, you just build it up. So it's going to be a lot of fun. I did notice with this photo etch set, Actually gives you a Rolls Royce. Yeah, you slap that on your engine. Rolls Royce, and then let's see if I can find it here. Where's the engine? Great. Oh, there it is. Right in front of me. How much that will be covered up at the end, I don't know. But anyway, a lot of fun. This is going to be exciting. Not only just to build them, but to show you that this set for detailing up your Mark I can be done, even though it's not really intended for it. But we'll throw a bunch of research into this and show you guys. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about these Trumpeter Hurricanes, if you've built one or what you know about them. So thanks so much, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.